So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to actually deal with overwhelm while building your business. Something we all suffer from, but I've got some really great tips for you, so stay tuned.
This is the She Means Business Show, where we show you how to turn your ideas into reality and become a wildly successful entrepreneur. Carrie Green, She Means Business.
Hey, I'm Carrie Green, the founder of the Female Entrepreneur Association and the author of She Means Business, and I have some amazing tips for you on how to deal with overwhelm as an entrepreneur, because this happens to every single one of us. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with is the fact that it is completely okay to feel overwhelmed as an entrepreneur and to feel like things are crazy. This is normal, and it's actually a really good thing because it means that you're actually doing something. It's not that your business and your ideas are just ideas anymore. You are actually working on them, which is why it feels so overwhelming. So it is a good thing. Change your perspective. If you're feeling really frustrated that you're feeling overwhelmed, turn it around, because overwhelm is actually a really good sign. So the second thing that I want to share is to have a dreaming day. This is one of the best things that you can do when you're feeling overwhelmed. So basically with the dreaming day, the first thing you want to do is you want to start writing out everything that you've got going on, all the projects you've got going on, all the tasks you've got going on, the things you've got going on daily, weekly, monthly, whatever it is, just write it all out, get it all out of your head, because when it's in your head, oh my gosh, it is crazy. So first thing, write it all out on paper. Once you've done that, I want you to get some wall sheets. Like I'll put in the link below where I get mine from, the little plastic sheets that go on your wall, or if you've got a whiteboard, use that. So you want to start prioritizing your projects and writing them all out on the wall so that you can see everything that you've got going on in one big space. When you do this, you get like an overview of what's going on, a bird's eye view. This in itself helps to really reduce the overwhelm, because when you can see what you've got to do, all of a sudden it's manageable. It's not this tangled mess in your head anymore. So get your wall sheets, prioritize your projects, and then underneath each project, write out the steps that you need to take in order to complete each project. Once you do this, you're going to feel like a weight has lifted, because you're going to be able to see everything that you need to do. So have your dreaming day, get really clear on everything. It'll feel amazing afterwards. So the third step is to then take action on all of the things you've written out. Just start with one simple thing and take action on it. If at this point you still feel ridiculously overwhelmed, firstly, it's okay. It really is okay. You've probably got a lot going on and a lot to do. But there are two things I would suggest you ask yourself. One, have you just got too much going on? Like, is it just too crazy? Are you spinning too many plates? If you are feeling as if the answer is yes, think about what you can simplify. What can you cut out? And secondly, ask yourself, do I need help? Like, do I need someone to come on board and help me with this stuff? If so, who? Who would you need to come and help you? Get really clear on that, because maybe it is that you do need to take other action in order to reduce the overwhelm. And you know what? Sometimes that is all you need, is to either simplify or to find people who can help you. But at the end of the day, I want you to remember that if you are feeling overwhelmed, it is a good sign. It is a sign that you are actually working on your dreams and your goals. And the thing is, if it were easy, everyone would be doing it, and they're not. It's not always easy, but it is so possible for you to create so much success despite the overwhelm. So simplify, create the bird's eye view, and just go for it and just stick at it, and you'll be able to really make amazing things happen. So I really want you to be able to turn your incredible ideas into a wildly successful reality. So I've actually created a free worksheet for you. You can go and download it. It's going to really help you to have your dreaming day. So the link is below, click below, download it, and take action on it to help you to really reduce the overwhelm so you can achieve the most incredible things. I hope you enjoy it. Go and get it now, and I will see you next week for another episode of She Means Business.
And then you could even say, like, come with me, we're going to talk about these tips, or just say, like, and we're going to talk, and you just start looking that way.